Okay, real talk. NiceApp.ai literally saved my agency from drowning in busy work. Here's the deal. We were burning cash and time managing Google Ads across several different clients on like 6 different platforms and doing their business profiles and all of their content, and it was a total nightmare. And as agency owners, we're in the business of client results, not playing secretary with its platforms. And NiceApp fixes all of that. Dead serious. We 10x'd our client load without hiring a single new person. The math is very simple. Less time on BS tasks equals more time making our clients money. The ROI reporting in there is literally a chef's kiss. Clients actually understand where their money's going now and what they're getting back out of it. No more endless back and forth like emails and what am I paying for conversations. The Google integration in it is smooth as butter. And bottom line, we were able to scale to 6 figures in revenue in our first year because of NiceApp. It handles all the grunt work. My team literally focuses on strategy now instead of drowning in admin tasks. And if you're running an agency and not using this, you're just leaving money on the table, honestly. That's not hype, it's math. Like, take it from someone who's blown thousands of dollars already testing all these different stupid tools. This one's literally a no brainer.